I'm Yadav Krishna, a business person. Our house is situated in Vadapalani, and she's my wife, Sureka. Basically, my wife has got arthritis problem, and she was finding it very difficult to climb the stairs. So it became almost necessary for us to put a lift in our house. That's how we went ahead with it. See, I found this Nibav lifts in YouTube. I found it very attractive, and also with the traditional lifts, I think the requirement of space is very much there. Nibav lift has got an advantage that it could be located in a very small area that can be fit in, where already there is a constructed area. So that's why I went it for it. I find the lift very useful to us. For my wife especially, it's very useful, and for a small family, it is really good. That's what I could say. Nibav service has been it's good, and there's no issue with their service, basic level service. That's what it's. Nibav, I think technologically they've got a good technology for this lift. With a simple solution, they are able to solve our problems. It has no complicated structure and things required. Technologically, Nibav lifts very advanced lift, and very useful for all operations. For a small household, it's a very good lift. My wife was really struggling to getting up the stairs because the arthritis was affecting her thing, and her leg was giving a lot of trouble. Now after the lift, it was really a boon for her. She is daily traversing up and down without any issues. Nibav lift is really awesome.